Good morning, students. Students, in our last class, we discussed about how to find the value of a given algebraic expression. Students, in that class, we did only question 1 and question 2 of exercise 6.3. Today, students, question 3 to 6 we will discuss and exercise 6.3 we will finish. I hope, students, you are getting, because this one is the very easy. Only the given values we are putting in the given equation and we are solving. In last two questions we did the same thing. The given values of variable we put in the given equation and we solve only. And here, students, question number 3 is a little bit different from the question number 1 and 2. In question number 1 and 2, directly we put the value. But here, first of all, we are to do the simplify. First of all, we will simplify, then we will find the value by putting p is equals to minus 1, q is equals to 1 and r is equals to 2. For that, question number 3 part 1, 7p square plus q square minus 8p square minus q square. Students, when you will compare question number 1, 2 and question number 3, you will find in those questions, two variables were not repeated. But here you can see 7p square and 8p square. Two values of p square is given. Q square and q square. Two values of q square is given. That's why we will solve first. So first of all, students, 7p square and minus 8p square we will solve. 7p square is having plus sign and 8p square is having minus sign. After that, plus q square and minus q square we will solve. We will solve in the rough column. You can see in the rough column, minus 8p square plus 7p square. Minus plus will be minus. So 8 minus 7, 1p square, and this 1p square will be with minus sign because greater number is having minus sign. So what is your answer? Minus 1p square. Now plus q square minus q square. I told students, when variables are same and powers are same, directly but signs are opposite. When variables are same, powers are same, but signs are opposite, they will cancel out each other and answer will be 0. So here what will come? 0. So your answer is 1p square. Now in this we have simplified now. Now the value of p we will put minus 1. Minus 1 at the place of p, minus 1 square. Minus 1 square means minus 1 multiply minus 1, it will be 1. So students, minus 1 multiply 1, it will be minus 1. 1 multiply 1, 1, and this minus sign will come as it is. Okay, students? Students, second part, 5 bracket p plus q bracket close minus 3p minus 2q. First of all, we will solve bracket. First, we will multiply 5 with the p, then 5 with the q. 5 multiply p, 5p, then 5 multiply q, 5q, then 3p minus 2q. Again, you can see 5p and 3p. Okay, we can solve both, and 5p and 2q we can solve. So first of all, 5p, then 3p. It is having plus sign, it is having minus sign. Minus plus minus minus. 5 minus 3, 2p with the plus sign. Because greater number is having plus sign. So 2p. Now this 5q minus 2q. 5q is having plus sign, 2q is having minus sign. Plus minus again minus 3q with the plus sign. Okay. So plus 3q will come. Students, now I have simplified. I will put the value of p and q. 2, the value of p is minus 1. The value of q is 1. 2 minus 1 minus 2 plus 3. 3 ones are 3, then 3. Minus plus minus. 3 minus 2, 1, and 1 will come with the positive sign because from 2 and 3, which one is greater? 3 is greater and the sign of 3 is positive, plus sign. So 1 is your answer. Students, now question number 4 is same as the question number 3. Simplify and find the value if x is equals to 2. So first of all, I will simplify this bracket. First I will multiply with the x, then I will multiply with the minus 5. So x plus 7 will remain same and this plus sign also. 4 multiply x, 4x, then minus 4 multiply 5, 20. 4 5s are 20. Now students, x and 4x. X plus 4x. What will be? 5x. It will be 5x. Then 7 and minus 20. Students, minus 20 and plus 7. It will be minus 13 now. Because minus plus minus. 20 minus 7, 13. Minus 13. Now students, we have simplified. Okay. Now x is equals to 2. We will write here 5 at the place of 2 minus 13. 5 multiply 2, 10 minus 13. 10 is having plus sign, 13 is having minus sign. Plus minus minus. 13 minus 10, 3. And what will be the sign of 3? Minus, because 13 is the greater number having minus sign. So students, like this, first of all you are to simplify and then by putting the value of x you are to find the value of given algebraic expressions. Students, now question number 5. Students, now question number 5. In question number 5, students, if p is equals to minus 10, what is the value of p? Minus 10. Find p square minus 2p minus 100. P square minus 2p minus 100. This is already simplified because you can see here p square is only p square. No other value with the p square is given and 2p is the only one value, no other value of the given. But here you can see two values of x was given and two constant number was given. That's why we simplified here. Now directly we can put the value of p, that is minus 10. Minus 10 is square, then 2 minus 10, then 100. Students, minus 10 square means minus 10 multiply minus 10, it will be 100 minus, both minus you can cancel out. So what will come here? 100. Then minus 2 multiply 10, 20 with the minus sign. Now 100 as it is. Now 100 minus and minus plus 20, then 100. Okay students, minus 10 square 100. This minus will come as it is. 2 multiply 10, 20 with this minus sign, then minus 100. Now minus minus plus 100 plus 20 minus 100. First of all 100 plus 20, it will be 120. Then minus 100. 120 minus 100, 20 is your answer. So students, like this exercise is very simple. Last question, question number 6, you can try by yourself. Some of the questions we have done during the class and rest by yourself you can try. Okay students, now finish your exercise 6.3 in your maths register. In our next class, we will start with new chapter, chapter number 7, linear equations. Okay students, have a nice day all and thank you.